Water heater repair for plumbing services in Texas. Water heater repair. Keeping your water flowing. Water heaters are an essential part of modern-day living, providing hot water for showers, laundry, and dishes. But when your water heater stops working, it can cause inconvenience and disruption to your daily routine. Fortunately, water heater repair services are available to help you get your hot water flowing again. Common water heater problems. Water heaters can develop a range of problems over time, including leaks, corrosion, and faulty heating elements. These issues can be caused by factors such as age, poor maintenance, and hard water. Some common signs of water heater problems include lack of hot water, water that is too hot or not hot enough, strange noises from the water heater, rust-colored water, leaks around the water heater. Water heater repair services. When you experience problems with your water heater, it's important to get them fixed as soon as possible to prevent further damage and inconvenience. Water heater repair services can help you identify the root cause of your water heater problems and provide targeted solutions to get your system back up and running. Here are some of the services that water heater repair companies in Texas can offer. Water heater inspection. A professional plumber can inspect your water heater to identify any issues and recommend repairs or replacement if necessary. Heating element replacement. If your water heater is not heating properly, a plumbing professional can replace the faulty heating element to restore hot water. Thermostat replacement. A malfunctioning thermostat can cause your water heater to produce water that is too hot or not hot enough. A plumber can replace the thermostat to ensure accurate temperature control. Tank flushing. Sediment buildup in your water heater tank can cause issues such as reduced efficiency and rust-colored water. A plumbing technician can flush the tank to remove sediment and improve performance. Leak repair. Leaks around your water heater can cause water damage and increase your water bill. A plumber can locate and repair the source of the leak to prevent further damage. Choosing a water heater repair service. When selecting a water heater repair service in Texas, it's important to choose a reputable company with experienced and certified plumbing technicians. Look for a company with a track record of excellence and positive customer reviews. Additionally, consider a company that offers comprehensive plumbing services, as they will have the expertise to address any issues beyond your water heater. In conclusion, water heater problems can cause inconvenience and disruption to your daily routine. With the help of a reliable water heater repair service in Texas, you can quickly and effectively address any issues and restore your hot water. By selecting a reputable plumbing service provider, you can ensure that your water heater is in good hands and avoid further problems down the line. Don't let water heater issues disrupt your life. Contact a professional plumber today to get your water flowing again.